You're juggling your glue gun in one hand and paint swatches in the other, but guess what's already done? This entire DIY blog. Visuals, SEQs, FAQs, infographics built in under 3 minutes, and while I did no drafting, no editing, and no stressing over headline. Let me show you exactly how Autoblogging.ai helps you go from idea to publish without wasting time. So once you log in into Autoblogging.ai, look at the left panel. You're going to see different modes in which Quick, Wizard, Single, Bulk generate. I'm going to go with Wizard. This one is my favorite. It takes you step by step through each setting. Vertical title. Here I'm typing budget friendly DIY ideas to refresh every room in your house. Now this title works because it has keyword rich and tells AI what to focus on. Okay, article language. I'm going to pick English here. If you have an international audience, maybe your blog has readers in Germany or Brazil, you've got 30 language options to choose from. Article length. I'm going to pick medium here. It gives enough room to explain ideas but keep things easy to skim. But here's what others do. Short is a quick blog ideas like tips or checklist, and long is ideal for detailed how-tos and product guides or blogs with multiple sections. I'm going with listicle since I'm sharing a list of DIY ideas and is great for like top 5 or 7 easy steps. But here's what others do. Informative is an ideal for deep dive guides and places. It's for location based blogs like local decor shops or event shops. And service bar landing pages is perfect for promoting an interior design service online. So listicle. I'm going to pick second person here because this way the blogs talk directly to the readers. But here's what and how other tones work. First person feels more personal, like sharing your own renovation story, and third person is more formal, works like a magazine article or editorial. I'm going to pick conversational here because that's how most DIY blogs sound. But here's what each style does. Auto will let AI pick what fits best. Less AI words will give more human feel. Premium style 1 is built for keyword rich content. Snippet optimizer is a structure for featured snippets on Google. Witty will add fun and a cheeky tone, and professional is more clean and crisp, good for a B2B blog. Now here I'm going to tick all this for intense optimized article. It helps your blog rank better by improving structure and keyword usage. Add FAQs will add real questions readers search on Google. AI images will add relevant photos related to the topic, and infographics will add small visuals like step-by-step room makeovers or a budget breakdown. So you don't have to do anything or upload anything. Autoblogging will do it itself. SERP analysis. Autoblogging will scan the top ranking pages on Google for this particular topic and build a structure that matches what's already ranking or working on Google. I'll just enable this feature, and in the source context box you can write how you want your article to be, and you can also select where you need your article to rank first. And here I'm going to tick all these 4 boxes. Outline from competition matches winning formats from blog is already ranking. External link will add helpful links to trusted source like Home Depot or DIY blogs or design references. YouTube videos will add relevant DIY videos to increase engagement in that particular blog, and add key takeaways will add a final section that sums up your blog, perfect for readers who skim. Alright, AI proofreading. Just enable this and leave a quick instruction like make it flow naturally or fix any grammar issues. So it is perfect if you want that extra layer of polish. Internal linking. Now if you already have written other DIY or decor blogs, just enter your domain. Just enable this, and here you can enter your domain. Now Autoblogging will automatically link this new article to the older post. No copy paste needed. That means readers spend more time on your site and Google sees your blog is more valuable. Human proofreading. Now if you want a real editor to double check everything, just enable this and leave a note like make sure product links and budget tips are up to date. So for this you'll need a human proofreading credit, which you can always buy inside your dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click the history tab, scroll down and just click on the view icon. And there you have it, your full DIY blog created in minutes, all done, all organized and ready to publish. But here's a quick tip for future blogs. You can use the quick section in which you can go to single, and if you already know your setting, this is just same as wizard but with faster and fewer clicks. And if you want to write from 10, 50 or even 100 blogs in one go, then we also have a bulk generate option here. So it is great if you batch content or manage client work. So if you're a DIY blogger, an interior stylist, or someone who shares home improvement ideas, Autoblogging.ai saves you time while leveling up your content. And if you're too busy filming reels, organizing, or handling client work, we also offer a done for you service where you do your DIYs and we write your blog. Now, if this walkthrough helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop your content questions in the comment.